Are you ready to elevate your sandwich game? Imagine biting into a perfectly grilled panini with golden crispy bread and gooey melted cheese. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. How do you pick the best panini press to bring that cafe-style experience to your kitchen? With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the perfect one. That's why I've done the hard work for you. I've tested and reviewed the top 10 best panini presses to help you make an informed decision. From budget-friendly models to versatile, high-performance machines, there's something here for everyone. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive. Number 10. IMUSA Electric Stainless Steel Panini Press. Starting off my list at number 10 is the IMUSA Electric Stainless Steel Panini Press. This compact and lightweight model is a decent entry-level option for those who want a basic panini press without breaking the bank. Its sleek stainless steel design gives it a modern look that fits well in any kitchen. The non-stick plates make cleanup relatively hassle-free, and the adjustable height settings allow you to grill sandwiches of varying thicknesses. However, while testing this model, I found some significant drawbacks. The 1200-watt heating element struggles to maintain consistent temperatures, especially when cooking thicker sandwiches or grilling meat. This often results in unevenly cooked food, with some parts overdone while others remain undercooked. Additionally, the temperature control knob feels a bit flimsy and imprecise, making it challenging to achieve the perfect heat setting. While it's an affordable choice for occasional use or simple sandwiches, it lacks the power and versatility needed for more demanding tasks. If you're just starting out and don't mind its limitations, this could still be a reasonable pick for light use. 9. Chefman Panini Press Grill and Gourmet Sandwich Maker. The Chefman Panini Press Grill and Gourmet Sandwich Maker is a versatile and compact appliance that brings convenience to your kitchen. With its ability to function as both a panini press and an open grill, it's perfect for making everything from sandwiches to burgers, steaks, and grilled vegetables. The floating hinge design allows the lid to adjust to the thickness of your food, ensuring even grilling without squishing delicate items. The non-stick plates make cleanup simple, while the removable drip tray collects excess grease, keeping your counter clean. During my testing, I found that this press heats up quickly and delivers crisp grill marks on sandwiches, giving them that professional cafe-style look. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even road trips. The lay-flat design expands the cooking surface to accommodate larger items like chicken breasts or multiple burgers at once. This flexibility makes it a great choice for quick meals or casual gatherings. However, the Chefman does have its limitations. The cooking surface is relatively small, 5.5 inch by 8.75 inches when closed, which restricts its capacity to 2 sandwiches at a time. While this may be sufficient for singles or couples, it's less practical for larger households or parties. 8. Yedi Total Package 6-in-1 Digital Panini Press. The Yedi Total Package 6-in-1 Digital Panini Press lives up to its name with its multifunctionality and advanced features. This appliance can function as a contact grill, panini press, waffle maker, full grill, full griddle, and half grill, half griddle, all in one device. Its reversible plates are dishwasher safe and PFOA free, ensuring safe and easy cleaning after every use. The digital controls allow you to set separate temperatures for the top and bottom plates, offering precise heat management for different types of food. What impressed Emmy most during testing was its versatility. Whether we were grilling steaks or making waffles for breakfast, the Yedi delivered consistent results every time. It heats up quickly, perfect for busy mornings, and maintains an even temperature across its cooking surface. The included accessories like silicone egg rings and a spatula tongue combo add extra value, making it easier to prepare a variety of dishes with minimal effort. The Yedi's large cooking surface, 12.7 inches by 8.8 inch, is ideal for families or meal prepping enthusiasts who need to cook multiple items simultaneously. We also appreciated the built-in drip tray that collects grease efficiently, promoting healthier cooking while keeping your kitchen mess-free. On the downside, this model is bulkier than some other options on this list, which might be an issue if you have limited counter space. 7. Cuisinart Panini Press Stainless Steel Griddler. The Cuisinart Griddler is a kitchen workhorse that earns its place on this list thanks to its versatility and thoughtful design. This 5-in-1 appliance functions as a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half grill, half griddle, making it suitable for everything from breakfast pancakes to dinner steaks. Its reversible plates are non-stick and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, while the dual temperature controls allow you to cook different foods simultaneously at varying heat levels. During my tests, I am impressed by how evenly the Griddler cooked food across its surface. Whether we were grilling vegetables or pressing sandwiches, it delivered consistent results with minimal effort. The floating hinge design adapts seamlessly to thicker items like artisan bread or stuffed paninis without compromising on even grilling. One standout feature is its ability to open flat into 2 separate cooking surfaces, perfect for preparing multiple dishes at once or hosting brunches with friends and family. The integrated drip tray collects grease effectively without interfering with your cooking process. That said, I did notice some minor quirks during testing. The bottom plate tends to heat slightly more than the top plate, requiring occasional flipping of food items for uniform results. Additionally, while compact enough for most kitchens, the Griddler's weight makes it less portable compared to lighter models. Number 6. George Foreman Classic Plate Electric Indoor Grill. The George Foreman Classic Plate Electric Indoor Grill is a timeless favorite that continues to deliver on simplicity and efficiency. Known for its iconic sloped design that drains up to 42% of fat from meats during cooking, this grill promotes healthier eating without compromising on flavor. Its durable non-stick plates ensure easy food release and quick cleanup after use. With 75 square inches of cooking surface, this model can prepare up to 5 servings at once, making it ideal for families or small gatherings. During our tests, we found that it heats up quickly and cooks evenly across its surface area, whether we were grilling chicken breasts or making classic grilled cheese sandwiches. One of the standout features is its adjustable grilling angle. You can set it flat for paninis or angled to drain grease while grilling meats like burgers or sausages. The removable drip tray fits snugly under the grill's front side to collect excess fat efficiently. However, there are some limitations worth mentioning. Unlike newer models with advanced features like removable plates or digital controls, this George Foreman grill sticks to basics, which might not appeal to those seeking more versatility in their kitchen appliances. Cleaning can also be slightly challenging since the plates are fixed. Wiping them down while still warm is recommended, but requires caution. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Panini Press. The Hamilton Beach Panini Press Sandwich Maker and Electric Indoor Grill is a versatile and reliable appliance that has earned its place as a favorite among home cooks. With 95 square inches of non-stick cooking surface, this panini press can handle everything from sandwiches to burgers, chicken, and even grilled vegetables. Its cafe-style floating hinge is a standout feature, allowing the lid to adjust to the thickness of your food for even cooking without squishing delicate ingredients. Whether you're making a classic grilled cheese or experimenting with gourmet paninis, this press delivers consistent results. During my tests, I found that the Hamilton Beach Panini Press heats up quickly and cooks most meals in under 10 minutes, a significant time saver for busy households. The dual-sided cooking plates ensure that both sides of your food are grilled evenly, eliminating the need to flip items manually. This makes it perfect for preparing quick lunches or dinners without compromising on quality. The non-stick ceramic plates are durable and easy to clean. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is often enough to remove residue. For added convenience, the slide-out drip tray collects excess grease, keeping your countertop mess-free and promoting healthier cooking. One of the features we particularly appreciated was its compact design. The lid latch allows for upright storage, making it an excellent choice for kitchens with limited counter space. For Breville, Sear, and Press Grill, BGR 700 BSS. The Breville, Sear, and Press Grill BGR 700 BSS takes versatility and precision to a whole new level, making it one of the most advanced panini presses on the market. Designed with both casual cooks and culinary enthusiasts in mind, this appliance offers 3 preset functions: panini, burger, and sear, to simplify cooking while delivering professional-grade results. Its reversible ceramic plates provide 2 cooking surfaces, a flat side for pancakes and eggs, and a ribbed side for meats and sandwiches. These plates are PFOA and PTFE-free, ensuring safe cooking while offering excellent nonstick performance for easy cleanup. What truly sets the Breville Sear and Press apart is its independent plate temperature control system. Each plate can be set to different temperatures, allowing you to cook multiple items simultaneously without compromising on quality. For example, you can grill steaks on one side while preparing vegetables or seafood on the other, a feature that's particularly useful when entertaining guests or preparing complex meals. During my testing, I am impressed by how quickly this grill heated up and maintained consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process. The one-touch presets made it easy to switch between functions, while the manual temperature dials allowed for precise adjustments up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3. VEVOR 7-in-1 Electric Contact Grill. The VEVOR 7-in-1 Electric Contact Grill is a powerhouse of versatility, designed to handle a wide range of cooking tasks. Whether you're grilling meats, preparing breakfast items like pancakes and eggs, or even making teppanyaki-style dishes, this grill has you covered. Its 1800-watt heating system ensures rapid preheating and consistent cooking temperatures, making it an excellent choice for both home kitchens and commercial setups. The adjustable temperature control allows for precise cooking, whether you're searing steaks at high heat or gently warming tortillas. During my tests, the VEVOR impressed me with its large cooking surface, which can handle multiple items at once, perfect for families or entertaining guests. The non-stick iron plates ensured that food didn't stick, making cleanup a breeze. We also appreciated the sleek stainless steel construction, which not only looks great but is resistant to rust and wear, ensuring durability over time. Its compact design makes it easy to store despite its professional-grade performance, making it suitable for small kitchens or food trucks. One of the standout features is its ability to adapt to various cooking styles. From grilling burgers to stir-frying vegetables, the VEVOR consistently delivered evenly cooked results. The teppanyaki function was particularly impressive, allowing us to create restaurant-quality dishes with ease. 2. OSTBA Panini Press Grill Indoor Sandwich Maker. The OSTBA Panini Press Grill takes the runner-up spot on our list for its outstanding combination of performance and convenience. With a spacious 11-inch by 9.8-inch cooking surface, this grill can handle up to 4 sandwiches or 6 medium-sized paninis at once, making it ideal for families or meal prepping enthusiasts. The floating hinge design adjusts seamlessly to accommodate sandwiches of varying thicknesses without squishing them flat. What truly sets the OSTBA apart is its intelligent temperature control system. During our tests, we found that the grill automatically stopped heating once it reached the preset temperature, ensuring perfectly cooked food without the risk of burning. This feature was especially useful when grilling delicate items like fish or vegetables that require precise heat management. The adjustable thermostat allowed us to experiment with different heat levels for various dishes, from crispy paninis to juicy steaks. The non-stick plates made cleanup incredibly easy. Food slid right off without leaving any residue behind. The included drip tray caught excess grease and liquids, keeping our counters mess-free and enhancing the overall cooking experience. We also appreciated the LED indicator lights that provided clear visual cues for when the grill was preheated and ready to use. 1. Bella Panini Press Sandwich Maker and Electric Indoor Grill. Finally, taking the crown as our top pick is the Bella Panini Press Sandwich Maker and Electric Indoor Grill, a compact yet powerful appliance that delivers exceptional results every time you use it. With its 1400-watt heating system and 8-inch, 9-inch nonstick cooking surface, this grill heats up quickly and cooks evenly across its entire surface area. Whether you're making classic grilled cheese sandwiches or experimenting with gourmet paninis loaded with toppings, the Bella ensures perfect results every time. One of the standout features of this model is its floating hinge design that accommodates extra thick foods like artisan bread or stacked sandwiches without compromising on even grilling. During our tests, we were amazed at how quickly it heated up. Most sandwiches were ready in under 5 minutes. The pre-calibrated thermostat took out all the guesswork by maintaining consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process. The Bella's non-stick coating made cleanup effortless. A simple wipe with a damp cloth was all it took to keep it spotless after use. The removable drip tray caught any excess grease or crumbs, further simplifying maintenance and ensuring healthier meals with less oil required during cooking. While compact in size, making it perfect for small kitchens, the Bella doesn't skimp on performance or build quality. Conclusion? And there you have it, the ultimate guide to finding the best panini press. From budget-friendly options like the IMUSA electric stainless steel panini press, to high-performance models like the Bella Panini Press Sandwich Maker and electric indoor grill, there's something on this list for everyone. Whether you prioritize versatility, ease of use, or professional-grade performance, these top picks have been carefully tested to suit all your needs.